Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. Listen y'all, man, let me tell y'all. So we doing the KFC. Do like this. Get that done, yo. It might drip. Hold on, good answer. We doing the KFC Cheeto Sandwich. I mean from KFC, duh, but let's look at it, y'all. This is not a challenge, but it's a review. Like we tasting it or whatever. Yeah, this is how it look. Look at the bottom. Like, is your bread soggy?
No.
So yeah, y'all. Like this video, cause I've been going hard. I've been dropping bangers. Like this video for me. Comment down below before you start this video. And subscribe to my channel if you ain't already did that. I see y'all be watching me on Facebook, but y'all don't watch me. Y'all don't click this on here. So make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, like for real. Y'all be cool.
Click the link.
Click that motherfucking link. This how it look. We got all that sauce in there.
I wonder what type of sauce is it. And then they got mayonnaise on it.
It don't gotta smell. It smell like Cheetos, but it don't really. The smell is not loud, so you finna be the first to try this. Bread hard like always. No. You can talk to him.
I'm making a video. Haven't ate it yet.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Alright, y'all, so this is how it look. Okay. So we finna try it out.
It's spicy.
It's not bad. No. It's actually okay, but no, it's just weird. Like, tastes like a regular sandwich with Cheetos on it. Like,
I haven't bit a Cheeto yet.
Yeah, I bit a Cheeto. Cheetos was a stale. Y'all could have did better on Cheetos, but other than that, it's cool.
Yeah. But it's not something that I would
just get, like,
yeah.
You know. But
the chicken good, so
yeah.
That's what makes it taste alright.
You want me to take one bite?
I mean,
she can't eat that.
It ain't my style. You like it?
It ain't my style. It just seems like,
damn.
Yeah. It seems like the Cheetos is stale.
But the dude in KFC, he said the Cheetos is nasty.
Yeah.
I think if it didn't have the Cheetos and it was just the Cheeto sauce, it'd be good. But
yeah, I can't eat that. You know, it's something that I can't get, that I won't get as a meal or nothing. No. But if you're a Cheeto lover, then you might like it, you know. You might not.
But I wonder, like, do the Cheetos get stale because they put the sauce?
Right,
or like what?
I don't know, but I don't know, something make the Cheetos stale. Unless they putting stale Cheetos on our sandwich. But this video ain't that long. We just did a taste test to see. You know, we just wanted to see how it tastes. Let y'all know. You know.
It was alright.
Yeah, it was cool. You know, it wasn't that bad. It wasn't as bad as it looked. Like, it don't look good. It don't.
I mean, it actually looked better in person than I thought it was gonna look.
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna look real sloppy and the Cheetos was gonna be like real soggy, not even, you know.
I ain't noticed none of that. I mean, I ain't know none of that shit, but I just thought it was gonna be nasty because it don't look like that would go with that.
Right.
The aftertaste.
Maybe Doritos, because you know, like you put Doritos on a sandwich.
Yeah, but that's a sandwich though.
I know, but it's chicken. It might taste good because like when you eat chicken nachos, you use Doritos.
Yeah, it might, but shout out to Rugrats, y'all. Shout out to them 90s babies.
For real though.
But yeah, y'all, like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you ain't already did that. And I'm gonna be back at y'all with another video. Peace.